African cross.
Yeah.
African cross.
Yeah.
A small, oh, look at that small bird of prey trying to disturb there.
So would you say Luangwa has a very rich population of birds?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Around about 400 different species.
Oh, wow.
Just in South Luangwa.
That's
Okay.
in South Luangwa. The habitat of mopane trees, huh? Those are the mopane trees. Now it's getting to dry season. Most of the leaves would be dropped. And they look more like they're dead.
On this episode of Across All Borders Going South, let's watch the birds of South Luangwa National Park. I wouldn't call myself a bird watcher, but I've always been intrigued by the different sounds the birds make and curious as to which birds make which sound. And after several game drives, I've come to appreciate the beauty of learning more about the different forms of life we encounter on the game drive. So join me today as I show you some of the birds we encountered on my early morning game drive in the national park. Yeah, just a little.
Like the hippo benefits because it's taken the ticks, and the bird benefits because it's got
Getting food.
Yeah. No, sometimes it's
The swift
swallows also.
swallows, the great streak swallows.
Yeah. And the one with a very short tail of marches between them.
Yeah, and then there is a white lamp, yeah? The one that you see more like a big white lamp on the back of the tail.
Mm-hmm.
Call them the white-lamped swallows. Eating water snails, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, they know how to handle water snails. Oh, lots of guineas, huh? Swarming up there, coming.
Yeah, I can see them.
Yeah, two of them.
Today I learned something interesting about the hammerkopf's nest. It is one of the largest roofed nests that you will find. It can weigh even up to 100 pounds. But I'll let my guide tell you a bit more about the hammerkopf's nest.
You find that other creatures like snakes, they get use of that. Monitor lizard, they use it as a shelter.
Mm-hmm.
On top there, Egyptian geese, they can make their own nest, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes even inside the woodland.
Yeah, the woodland, that's another talking fish. That's another talking fish. Yeah, remember the other day when we watched the other ibis waffle area last time?
Yeah.
Over the last few minutes, we've come across some hammerkopfs, some wide-faced whistling ducks, a saddle-billed stork, a little bee-eater, a yellow-billed stork, some helmeted guinea fowl, the lilac-breasted roller, a couple of red-billed oxpeckers, the paradise wider, some pied kingfisher, an African sacred ibis, and an emerald-spotted wood dove. I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.